If you're on the hunt for a cheap but non-pore clogging primer, then make sure to watch today's video because I'm going to share a list of drugstore primers that are also acne safe. Lovely, I'm Carmen, founder of Luminosity Acne Skincare. I'm also a licensed esthetician that specializes in the successful treatment of acne. So in today's video, we're going to talk all about some drugstore primers that are also acne safe, meaning they do not contain any pore clogging ingredients. Now, before I get into the list, I first want to mention that I have not personally tested out these primers myself, so I don't know as far as if they're going to hold your makeup on all day, if they're going to minimize the look of your pores, or anything like that, if they're mattifying. All of these things are going to be up to you to decide if you actually like these primers. The only criteria that I cover in this video are ones that don't contain any pore clogging ingredients. So let's go ahead and get into the first one. And that first one would be Wet n Wild's CoverAll Face Primer. There's also e.l.f. Studio's Poreless Face Primer. Rimmel's Stay Matte Primer is also acne safe. There's also Revlon's Perfecting Skin Primer Cream. Number 7 Airbrush Away Original Primer is also an acne safe one. And finally, there's e.l.f. Studio Mineral Infused Face Primer. So that is my list of acne safe primers that you can find at the drugstore. Now, if you currently have a primer at home and you're curious to know if that one is non-pore clogging or if it's pore clogging, then what I'd like you to do is just check the links in my description box down below, because there you can access a free copy of my list of pore clogging ingredients to avoid. This is a list that I give to all of my office clients because eliminating pore cloggers for makeup is always the best first step to take towards clear skin. So you can also download your own copy today, and then that way you can again check your primers that you have at home. Okay, so that is it for this video. I do hope that you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more acne related videos. Also follow me on Instagram at Luminosity Acne. And finally, if you would like to work with me toward clear skin, I have two options for you. The first option is that if you live close by to my North Carolina acne office, I would love to see you in office. The other option is that if you don't live anywhere near me, I do have acne kits that ship worldwide. So even if you're in another country, I can still help you achieve clear skin. Okay. That's it for this video. I will see you in my next one. Take care.